Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate chip muffins. Now these chocolate chip muffins are really good. They're great for breakfast, a snack, the kids will enjoy them. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 425 degrees. We've got a few ingredients here that are going to seem a little weird, but I promise you they're going to be great. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For the muffins we are going to need 1 3/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 stick of softened butter, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 2 eggs, half a cup of sour cream, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/4 cup of whole milk, and about a cup to a cup and a half of chocolate chips. We're going to start by mixing our dry ingredients together. Our flour, our baking powder, baking soda, our salt, and our cinnamon. Just going to give this a nice whisk till it's well combined. And then we're going to work on the wet ingredients. Now in our stand mixer, we're going to go in with our butter. We're going to just give this a mix for about a minute until it starts to get real smooth and creamy. Now we're going to go in with our brown sugar. We're going to crank this up to high. And we're going to let it go for about 2 minutes until it's nice and smooth. Now we're going to scrape down our sides. Just make sure everything's getting incorporated. Put it back in the middle. Drop this down. And then we're going to add in our eggs. There's our eggs. Give this a light mix. Now in with our sour cream and our vanilla. We're going to let this mix for about a minute or so. Now we're going to go in with our dry ingredients. We're going to go in on low. We're going to give this a mix till it's all combined, and then we're going to add the milk. Now in with our milk. Gonna mix this on low for about another minute, and then we're gonna fold in our chocolate chips. Once that's done, we're gonna fold in our chocolate chips. It's not too hard. Just make sure they're well combined so that way we have even distribution of the chocolate chips throughout. And now we're gonna pan these up. Now we have our muffin pan. You can line it or spray it. We're going to take our batter and we're gonna fill it right to the top. This is going to allow it to get that nice muffin top. Now we're going to take these and put them right in the 425 degree oven for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to lower the temperature of the oven down to 350. We're not going to take them out. We're going to leave them in there for another 15 to 18 minutes, and then they'll be done. So I'm going to fill the rest of these, throw these in the oven. I'll stop back when they're done. Alright, 15 minutes is up. We're going to check these. We're going to stick a toothpick in dead center. Came out clean. They're done. Now we're going to get these out of the pan, get them on a wire rack to cool down. We're going to give them just a couple minutes, and we're going to get a taste of these. We'll see you then. Alright, the muffins are nice and cold. Let's get a bite. Break some of this off. It's good stuff. They're light, they're fluffy, they're moist. That comes from the sour cream. You get little pockets of the chocolate chips in there. So good. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. You can also stop into our Patreon account and support the channel and join our kitchen team. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you next time.